What's up everyone, it's J-Man Moto24 here, coming back at you with yet another video. And I do apologise if my voice is somewhat muffled in this video. It's just because I'm actually wearing a balaclava to keep warm. And as you guys can see, it's snowing. And this video is actually why I choose to ride in all weather conditions. I mean, you're probably watching this probably thinking, oh what the hell, this guy's insane, he's riding a dirt bike and it's bloody snowing. Yeah, I know, I'm gonna get to it. You know, I'm getting to it, but basically this is like a video as to me explaining why I choose to ride in weather conditions like this, and whether it be like super hot, super cold, rainstorm, snowing or snowstorm. You know, as I said in like one of my other videos, I've ridden in all weather conditions and I won't stop riding in it, never. Why? Well, because the DRZ 400 SM is my only form of transport, and it's also, I mean, I don't just see this bike as a form of transport, it's a passion and it's a love and it's a hobby, you know. And regardless of weather conditions, like if you love something that much, you will still do it in the worst of weathers. And so basically, like as you can see, it's snowing. I will ride in this weather if I deem it like safe enough to ride in. I mean, some of you might see this as like weather that you don't ride in because it's not safe. But for me, this to me is nothing. This is nothing. You know, I've ridden in snowstorms, I've ridden on ice. Let me tell you, that was fun and games. But anyway, like I've ridden this bike, as I said, here in snow. I've ridden it in snowstorms like a few weeks ago, like, and last year we had quite a bad one and I still rode in it. I used to ride my old 125 in it, my old Pulse Adrenaline 125. You know, I've always ridden in this sort of condition because it's just, you know, regardless of weather conditions, I love my bike and I'll always ride it in whatever condition. Whether it be snowing, snowstorm, raining, heavy rain, rainstorm, heat wave, hell, screw it, I'd ride it in a sandstorm if we got it here in England, I'd still ride. Hurricane, depends how bad the hurricane is, but yeah, you know, like, I don't care what the weather is, I'll still ride in it. Even on ice, as I said. But, you know, oh hello, cops are out, always watching me. Bastards for pulling me over last week. So yeah, video's like not anything too long, it's just me explaining, wow, it's me showing you firsthand why I ride in this weather. It's because, well, as I just said, you know, it's because I love riding my bike, and because my because my bike is a dirt bike, you know, this bike is built for it. Dirt bikes are built for sand, they're built for rain, they're built for mud, they're built for clay, they're built for snow, you know. People race these bikes and, you know, they fire these bitches up in all sorts of weather and, you know, they don't give a crap. So, you know, that's why I choose to ride in all these shitty weather conditions. Because I just love my bike. Yeah, and you're probably thinking, oh, wait, what if you crash? Well, if I crash, I just get back up and carry on, you know. So like, quick little video, guys, nothing too special. So yeah, as always, if you're new to a channel, be sure to click that subscribe button, that nice lovely red button underneath this video. Yeah, click that button and hit the notification so you can keep up to date with my awesome content. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and have a nice day and ride safe. See you.